Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make hot milk bundt cake. This is a classic hot milk cake recipe which can be served with your evening tea or as a snack. So let's start the recipe. But before that, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I post new recipes every week. Take 2/3 cup of hot milk. In that, add half cup of butter. I'm adding unsalted butter, but you can also add salted butter. Stir it and keep it aside. Now next, take a bowl and add half cup of curd, a teaspoon of vanilla essence and 1 cup of sugar. Mix it well and add 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda and a pinch of salt. Skip the salt if you've added salted butter. Now gradually add 1 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour or maida and the milk and butter mixture. Mix all these ingredients together and make a batter. When your batter is lump-free, grease your mold with some butter. Pour the mold and bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, take the mold out from the oven and let it cool down for a bit. Now unmold your mini bundt cakes. If you want, you can serve them directly, or if you want to add some more deliciousness, you can also drizzle some Nutella over it. I hope you like this recipe. If you have any doubt about the recipe, do let me know in the comment section. Do like, share and subscribe Belly Timber House and hit the bell icon so you get the notification whenever I upload a new recipe. Thank you for watching. See you next time.